All right, hello to this quick tutorial of how to use Power Automate robotic process automation. So today we've actually already pre-downloaded the actual Power Automate appliance for your desktop, and what we're going to do is create a desktop flow. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click on New Flow, and we're going to actually name it. We can call it Web Browser. So what we're going to do is actually tell it to open up a certain browser and open up a bunch of different pages. So push Create. And then when you push Create, you're going to get into the actual Design Studio that's going to be populating here in just a second. And here is the actual Design Studio. On the left-hand side, you have a lot of different conditions that we're going to go ahead and do. But what we're going to do today is we're going to actually use a desktop recorder to actually record the steps that actually gets us into the web browser and actually enabling the different patches. So we'll go ahead and click on Desktop Recorder. And then when it has this one right here, okay, then what we're going to go ahead and do is start to record, and then we're going to tell it what to do. So now that it's recording, it's going to actually follow my actual button. And the first one we're going to do is we're going to click on the actual browser. Okay, we're going to give it a few seconds because we don't want to click too many things too fast. Then we're going to open up a new tab. Okay. Then we're going to tell it to click on the Customer Immersion button that I already have. Then we're going to tell it to open up a new tab and open up Security and Endpoint Protection. Then we're going to give it a second, open up a new tab, and Virtual Desktop AI Guide. Now that we're done with this, we're going to go ahead and simply click on Finish. Now what happens here is it's going to tell us all of the different run windows. So what I'm going to do, actually, I'm going to clear out of that browser that I was just in, right? And we're going to go ahead and play this to see what happens. You can see here, it opens it up, it opens it up, and it opens it up. And that is robotic processing automation in its leanest form. But hope you like this. This is an amazing product. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.